Day traders are idiots. Listen very carefully to what I'm about to tell you here. If you're a day trader, if you're a trader wannabe, or you want to make money in the stock market somehow, listen to what I'm about to tell you here. How many times are you going to humiliate yourself in front of the stock market, in front of the broker that you're using? How many times are you going to repeat the same mistake time and time again? I'm taking the gloves off in this video, so pay very close attention. The same mistakes you keep repeating are being repeated by thousands and millions of retail traders out there because the industry itself is rigged for them to start repeating and keep repeating those mistakes. If you want to milk the markets, you gotta be smart. How many times are you going to oversize your account? How many times are you going to oversize your trading account, leave yourself naked and exposed just for your account to go poof? How many times are you going to overtrade? Right? After you make a profit, a healthy profit, you hit your target, you say, I'm done. You open the computer, you go again, you trade, you lose, now you're back into the game for the rest of the day trying to recoup. How many times are you going to do that? And you've done it so many times that now you keep repeating it, it's like normal. Well, that's not a way to go on about it. How many times are you going to overtrade? You're never happy. You're never happy with the profits you make, so you keep going and in and in and in. And then eventually, you're just chasing your own tail. See, these mistakes everybody's making. Everybody's making those mistakes. Their skill is spot on. There's very little things you should know in this trading world. Support, resistance, fill in the gap, and price action. Boom, done. You're a trader. But this doesn't work. And I guarantee you this doesn't work because the person is making those mistakes that I just said. It's not the actual simple approach. It's these mistakes. Then they go on to another strategy. Idiots thinking this new strategy is going to help them. They're like a bunch of whores. Then they jump onto the strategy. Same thing. Then they go back. Then back and back. By the end of it, they have been dried, squeezed, done, finished. You really think there's a strategy in the stock market that will make you money? No. There's an approach. Everybody knows this approach. You trade unorthodox, you get where you want to be. Because if you trade like everybody else, trading is easy. Where's the money? Everybody's making money now. Trade unorthodox. You cannot trade like your aunts, your uncle, your friends, your cousin. Even you can't trade like me. You can learn the method, but you cannot have the same mindset as me when I'm looking at the charts. So, let's move on to something else. A lot of traders, when they enter this industry, they're like virgins. You know, there's a new thing, funded accounts, where you buy a package and the provider apparently starts paying you when you make money. Now listen guys, I promoted funded accounts once. And I can tell you today, it is the worst thing you can do. You're telling me some teenager with pimples is paying out money to people? Where is this guy? I want to have a conversation with him. I want to make money. How can you tell me an unregulated firm, or not even, we don't want to call it a firm, it's a bunch of kids sitting around with a website and a scheme, and they've white labeled a platform, and they're just, no liquidity is needed, you're just demoing, you make money, and then they give you, out of the 100 you purchase, 10 back every time you hit a milestone, and then they say, we are funded providers. Oh my days. This is the worst thing. This is why it's banned actually in the US. This is why if the US catches on to them, the regulators, they're done. So, funded providers are the worst thing ever, guys. I'll tell you that, I was straight. A lot of you, you're only a year or two in the industry and you think you have it figured out. And yeah, they're going to show you proof of money being paid. Well, are you sure the person that's getting paid is not an affiliate of some sort? Are you sure this is legitimate? Because I can tell you one thing today. If something is not regulated, they say, bye. We don't want to pay you. You're costing us too much money. Especially if you actually make money and they're making money, or they're giving you money. They're going to say, bye. We don't need you. Goodbye. Go complain if you want. Who are you? I've asked so many providers to actually send me proof that they're paying out to their customers. Zero. One of them goes to me, I just asked the guy. I'm like, okay, but this guy's your affiliate. See, a lot of you need to start just taking a step back, right? A lot of you can make it, but you're just too innocent when you enter the world of trading. You're too innocent and extreme, where you get taken advantage of. You let the market take advantage of you. You let yourself take advantage of you. You let the broker take advantage of you. And you're just an innocent person. I mean, I've been here 8 years. I know it inside out, guys. I know the industry inside out. Nobody can come to me today and tell me any otherwise. I know it inside out. Now, of course, I don't speak out, because if I speak out, a lot of people get scared, right? That this guy is speaking out. Because you expose one thing, you expose everything. So, if you want to milk the market, if you want to milk the brokers, you gotta be very, very disciplined. Learn from your mistakes. Get a woman by your side. She will tell you, fold the shop when you're winning. I guarantee you that, because men are very emotional. They will keep wanting to make more, especially a guy making 100. Now he makes 105 minutes. He's like, wow, I can go for 10,000 in a day. I mean, a rich person entering the stock market is the worst thing ever, because they go in, they're used to making a lot of money, and they just oversize and expose. See, everything you do depends on who you are. Somebody that comes from a gambling background, or they gambled before they enter the stock market, instantly they become gamblers. See, that all exposes who you are. The market exposes who you are as a person, whether you're a gambler, whether you're greedy, whether you're emotional, whether you're a crybaby. So the market is exposing you here. So be disciplined. Your job today, you're at war with everything. You're at war with the broker. You're at war with the market itself. You're at war with the industry, the gurus. Save yourself some money. If you need, come join Daddy. I can teach you. I can show you the way. A lot of you can vouch for this, of course. Other than that, keep going in a circle, and good luck with your Twitch streams, and listen up to your funded trading. Bye, guys. I gotta go. I told you I was gonna take off the gloves for this one. Anyways, I gotta go. I gotta go for a dip. Let me show you what I'm looking at. It's a beautiful view, and the sun is out. All right, got to go.